Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from Neteller. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Neteller account. From here on the side menu you will see the money out, so you're just going to click on that one. And then once you click on that one, this will pop up. So what you're going to do is just click on this bank withdrawal and then tap on continue. Once you click on continue, you will have to provide the bank account information. So you have to provide the bank account number, IFSC code, and a lot more. So in here is what you're going to be providing. Also the SWIFT, the bank entry, the bank currency, and the bank name, and also the full name. So once you're done filling all these out, just click on continue at the very bottom. And then next to that is you will have to be providing or uploading your bank statement. So to upload it, you just have to click on this upload files, and then you have to upload the bank statements. After that, you just have to click on next, and then this is the final step. So in here it says that please allow 3 to 5 business days for the withdrawal to appear in your bank account. So you just have to wait for it and then confirm by clicking on this money out. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!